You want to open this one?
No.
What's his name? Bruiser.
Bruiser.
Yeah, I remember Bruiser right there.
JJ. JJ.
TJ.
Mo.
Yeah.
Hey Marcus, why don't you open another present?
Let's open another present. Let's open this one.
Who?
What is it?
What is it?
Grover.
Grover.
Grover book.
And what is that?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Wow.
Back.
Back? Okay, what other present you want to open?
How about the one in front?
How about this one, Marcus?
This.
We're gonna save that one for a bit, Bubby.
How about this one right here? No? Okay.
This.
This one.
He thinks it's cars.
Bunny.
Bruiser?
Black. Now.
Okay, open that one. Open it. Oh, good job. Good tears.
Baba.
Who's this?
Baba.
Rudolph's on there. Who's that? Who's that?
Who brought you all the presents?
Who brought all those presents under the tree? Santa. Keep cheering. You have lots of presents to open. You gotta catch up, mister. Good. Good. Let's take this.
Tear it open, Coos.
Good job. Big tears. Okay, open. Whoa, what's that? Lightning.
It's a robe, Coos, look.
Look at Coos. Look what it says. What's that say?
No.
What's it say?
No, Mama.
No?
This. This, Mama.
That one?
I think he loved it. I think he really liked it.
Yeah, I really like the robe. Whoa, what's that? Open that?
Yeah.
Will we open it later?